Alright guys, check it out guys. I got some free shoes from Hisea. Let's check it out guys. Free shoes. Lifetime warranty guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, some Hisea free shoes. Let's check them out guys. Oh, see, told you guys. Lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty guys. Oh, look at that. Brand new. For free guys. Check it out. Look at my old ones. Look at the new ones guys. Hell yeah, for free. Lifetime warranty guys. Lifetime warranty guys. They hook it up. See, lifetime warranty, free shoes guys. Guys, if you guys want some free shoes, free fishing shoes, get some Hiseas guys. Hiseas guys. Free shoes, one free shoe guys. Get them, get them.